Welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I like this Unice wig that I ordered from Amazon.com. It came in 2 to 3 days and I'm obsessed with it, and I applied it all myself, and this is my first time applying a new wig that hasn't been customized all by myself. So make sure you guys stay tuned to watch that video, and I'm recording this at the end of the video, so make sure you guys tune in to see how I got my hair to look like this and everything that I went through during this video slash vlog. I went and got my eyebrows laminated and tinted, so make sure you guys watch the video in its whole duration so you can make it back to this point where I tell you guys all the tea about this hair. I also went and got my nails done in this video, so it's lit. It's lit. This is a whole quarantine glow up, so make sure you guys watch this video to the end. Hit like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into the video.
Shawty make that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, D-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you gotta go hard. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go-go. Got that ass to the floor. Whoa. You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the beans, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of pay. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, babe. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Know you want to shoot with the red bottom, babe. You know I like when you rise to the top, babe. She wants your name, yo-yo. I'm only doing cash, guys, don't need promos. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside Coco. I got a feeling I keep it inside my heart. And I keep a petty cause I don't do facades. You can see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark. And since you got it, it make you wanna do anything you want. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you gotta go hard. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor. Whoa. You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the beans, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, bitch? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of pay. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, bitch. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, bitch. Know you want to shoot with the red bottom, bitch. You know I like when you ride at the top, bitch. If I hit it running back, she gon' hit the sidewalk. If she got a messing with her, take her back to my law. Got a 5 in the morning, wild and wild. And her name ain't Megan, but she a stallion. Keep my hoes the valley. Remember I was pulling up in the valley. And you know I take her so when she ride. Put her in the sneakers all Kenzo. Shawty know the drop it look like a liver. How we think it like Timbo. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. I put some ice on you cause you gotta go hard. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go-go. Got that ass to the floor, yeah. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, D-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you gotta go hard. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go-go. Got that ass to the floor, yeah. Whoa. You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the beans, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? Shawty make that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, D-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you gotta go hard. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go-go. Got that ass to the floor. Whoa. You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the beans, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of pay. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, babe. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Know you want to shoot with the red bottom, babe. You know I like.
I'm not gonna say this is the finished product because I need to make it so much better, but I have to run out now. And ooh, these baby hairs, they the struggle, like they don't want me to be great. But so far I really like the wig. This is Unice hair. I'm gonna put a little montage in front of the video, but I have to run out the door right now because it's 12 o'clock. me being late for the first appointment is not cool. All right, you guys, I look crazy. I had to put this scarf on because I just couldn't do the lace was too light right now. And basically, I'll give you guys my thoughts on the wig tomorrow, but it'll be like within the next, I'm sure, 5 minutes for the vlog. But I have to basically fix it up some more, and I was rushing. So I just called her and told her I'm running a little late, and she said that's fine. So we're almost there. I'm done, you guys. Look at my brows. I love them so much. This is Erica, and it's called Sculpt.
It's Sculpt Station.
Sculpt Station.
SCULPTSATIONS.
Yes, I'll tag it right here as well. We had such a great conversation, right?
Yeah,
we had a great conversation, and I'll definitely be back. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for trusting me with your brows.
No problem. And she has the cutest dog. What's his name?
Yogi.
Yogi. Oh my gosh. He's so cute. They were just about to take in my car. I'm looking at my brows, and they're so harsh right now because it's new and it's fresh, so over time it fades, and like within the next 2 days it's gonna be way more lighter. And then she also told me how not to make them so thick. I can just brush them down. They won't be as thick, but I really do love them. Like, this is not the end result of them yet. I have to give it some time to, I think I like it right here. Yeah, I have to give it some time to do its thing, so within like 2 days they'll look completely. Y'all, I'm so fucking annoyed because it is now 3 o'clock. No, get the fuck out the way, move. You want to jump in front of me. It's now the time for my nails appointment. It's 3 p.m. and here I am 9 minutes out. I'm so irritated. It's traffic, but the cars are just driving in the way to where it's like, get out the way. Like, if you don't want to drive fast, to the right. Y'all, I keep staring at my brows because right now they're so dark and I'm just not used to having dark brows like this. But I know that in due time I'm gonna love it. So this is the nail tech that used to be in my studio. I don't know if I told you guys that I have a space in downtown Oakland. I went to school to be an esthetician and I just haven't been using it, and I'm like kicking myself. Actually, Erica gave me this because when I just paid for my brows, she had a PayPal thing to be able to take cards, and I asked her where did she get it from, and she said she bought it from PayPal, and she said that she actually had an extra one and she gave it to me. How sweet is that? This was my first time ever meeting her, first time getting a service from her, and she gave me this thing. Like, okay, so my overall thoughts on this hair is that it's really thick. It's pretty affordable. I think I paid like $230 for a 20-inch transparent 13x6 lace. I really love 13x6 because I love a lot of parting space. I just always have. It just makes for a more natural look. So those are the pros about it. Pretty affordable, came pretty fast because it was sent via Amazon. I ordered it on Amazon, so super convenient. Came in about 2 to 3 days. I think maybe it was like 3 to 4 days it came. The cons is that initially I did get some shedding when I washed it, and I didn't do anything to it. I just washed the hair. I did go ahead and bleach the knots, and they didn't bleach as fast as I am used to. I use 40 volume developer, which sometimes I don't even use 40. Sometimes I use like 30 or 20, and I've just known some other wigs to bleach a little faster, but it did bleach the knots. I was a little paranoid, so that's why I didn't leave it on for like uber long, but it was a little on the bleaching. I'll put a little picture right here of the shedding that I did get when I was washing it, and it was really weird because I wasn't even finger throughing it when I was washing it. I was just kind of like taking the whole hair in my hand and just like draining the water out, and I was getting some shedding, and I got a pretty good amount. And other than that, I wouldn't have mentioned it because, as you guys know, hair sheds, but it was it was a good amount for it to never have been worn before. Other than that, I really like it. It's really pretty. The curl pattern is very pretty, very easy to maintain. I feel like so far, I haven't had it for that long, but pretty easy to maintain, and just super full, super thick. Especially when it gets dry, it's crazy thick. It's like lion hair, so that's really good. But I don't have many complaints. Obviously, I just put it in my hair, so I will be doing an updated video for you guys. But so far, I love it. Definitely my style. I can't wait until it dries later on today, because this is my first time really like wearing it. I wore it yesterday to my appointments, as you guys seen in the vlog portion of this video. And just to let you guys know, my eyebrows are doing amazing. I know they looked a little scary at first, but I'm so in love with them now, and I feel like they're just perfect. And I know over time they'll get even lighter and lighter. And you're not supposed to necessarily put makeup on them, but I just put makeup on because I'm a risk taker. Yeah, so I can't wait till it gets dry later on today. I'm about to go to my sister's house, and we're gonna barbecue, eat, smoke some hookah, have some drinks. So I know it's gonna get dry, and just the curl pattern is gonna be so beautiful. So I'll insert that picture right here. Ain't that funny how we could just do that in the future? But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you never miss when I post a video. And share this video with your mama, your cousin, your auntie, your uncle, all your peoples.